If you are trying to find your CIBC Mastercard Cashback certificate, but are not sure where it is in the app, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find it, how to view your current and previous certificates, and how to check whether a certificate has already been redeemed. Let's get started. First, open the CIBC mobile app and sign into your account. Once you are on the main screen, you will see a list of all your CIBC accounts, including your checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Find your CIBC Mastercard account and tap on it. This will open your credit card details page. Near the top of the screen, you will see information such as your current balance and your cashback balance. Just below that section, look for the Open Gift Certificate button and tap on it. If you do not see this option, it usually means your card does not currently have a cashback gift certificate available, or your card may not be eligible for this feature. After tapping Open Gift Certificate, you will see a list of your cashback gift certificates from previous years. Simply tap on any certificate to open it and view the details. If the certificate has already been redeemed, the app will display the date it was redeemed, so you can easily confirm that it has already been used. If the certificate has not been redeemed yet, it will be available for you to use according to the terms of your cashback rewards. One quick tip before you leave. If you are expecting a certificate but do not see one yet, make sure your cashback rewards have reached the required amount and that your annual cashback certificate has already been issued. Depending on your card, certificates are typically issued once each year, and that is how you find your CIBC Mastercard Cashback certificate in the CIBC app. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.